After the Lok Sabha elections of 2014, the president of the party, Sri Rajnath Singh, had already spoken to the media, but today, in the context of and in the evening when the Congress Working Committee is meeting, there is just one fact which we'd like to bring to the notice of the people of India and also to the Congress Working Committee. BJP ran its election campaign with one objective, which is Congress Mukt Bharat. We had asked the people of India to express their desire to see India rid of the Congress. That the Congress party and the culture that it brought about to this country was clearly to be gotten rid of. And in the process, our campaign emphasized on Congress Mukt Bharat. Today, I would like to just present an electoral statistics in front of you, which I'm sure the Congress Working Committee has taken cognizance of. In 13 states, if I do not bring in Seemandhra, which will come into effect only from 2nd June. In 13 states, which I'll read out, the National Capital Region, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Nagaland, Odisha, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttarakhand, totaling to a 13-state list, a total of 13 states in which the Congress party has scored a 0. 13 states in which the Congress party has not even won one parliamentary seat. Now, if I include Seemandhra, which will be a new state as of June 2nd, of course, as of now, the election was fought as one Andhra Pradesh. If I include Seemandhra, that total will go to 14 states in India, wherein the Congress party could not manage to win even one seat. A further highlight in this would, of course, be that in Tamil Nadu, out of the 39 parliamentary constituencies, in 38 of them, Congress lost deposit. In Tamil Nadu, out of the 39 parliamentary constituencies, in 38, Congress lost its deposit. Now, about the union territories, Andaman Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu, Puducherry and Lakshadweep. Again, Congress could not win even one seat. Therefore, the campaign to Lok Sabha 2014 election led by Sri Narendra Modi, the BJP went with the slogan of Congress Mukt Bharat. We can see the effect of this. And in some states like Jammu and Kashmir, as a result of alliance with the Congress, even the alliance partner National Conference drew a blank. We would like to draw the attention of the people of India and certainly thank them in this context. But this Abhiyan of Congress Mukt Bharat cannot stop here. We should rid the country of that culture of Congress, which is full of arrogance and corruption. Thank you very much.
Can you take up the question? Pakistan today has thrown the ball in India's court, saying that India needs to bury the hatchet if they want good relations, cordial relations with Pakistan. Do you not think that Pakistan needs to do a lot, because even as the statement was being made, there were infiltration bids in Jammu and Kashmir?
Absolutely. Bury the hatchet for a good relationship. What is the burying of hatchet that they are referring to? India is interested in a good relationship with Pakistan, no doubt. and Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee's time in 2004, was it not agreed by Pakistan that their territory shall not be used for fostering or perpetrating terror towards India? Their territory is still being used, and there are no convincing or satisfactory steps taken by Pakistan in the context of even the Mumbai attack. The perpetrators have not been gone through the courts, justice has not been delivered, and therefore burying the hatchet can be a wonderful expression to use, but Pakistan unfortunately has not done or taken any steps in that direction. Thank you. बिल्कुल पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा ही हो रही है बिहार में। जनता के इलेक्शन के द्वारा जनता की जो भी डिसीजन है वो जेडीयू के खिलाफ बिल्कुल गई है, और उसके बाद नैतिकता के नाटक करते हुए एक दिन रेसिग्नेशन देना, दूसरे दिन उनके अपने कार्यकर्ता से इतना प्रेशर डलवाना पब्लिकली और एक और दिन का समय मांगना, ये सब सिर्फ एक नौटंकी के हिस्सा ही है, क्योंकि जेडीयू के अंदरूनी कलह को श्री नीतीश कुमार जी कंटेन कर नहीं पा रहे हैं, उसको सुलझा नहीं पा रहे हैं, इसीलिए ये नाटक चल रही है। इससे बेहतर है कि जनता के जजमेंट को विद हम ह्यूमिलिटी सर झुका करके उसको एक्सेप्ट करें और जनता को दुखित ना करें इस नौटंकी के साथ। ये अपमान है जनता की अगर ये नौटंकी कंटिन्यू करते हैं। How the Congress party is going to handle its internal affairs after this electoral drubbing, particularly now that I've even given you a list of the states where they could not even win one seat, 13 states and 6 union territory where Congress party has drawn a blank, is such a defeat in the 125 years of or more of Congress party's history. I'm sure this is a kind of a result on which the Congress party will certainly contemplate. And today, at a time when they are even trying to make alliances, if I can borrow the words of Sri Narendra Modi, if they are trying to if they are trying to make alliances to form an opposition, the situation is certainly very grim, and the Congress should take stock. Thank you.